You know, I recently had a patient, Dr. Luke and Gay, they came in from Costco,
Okay.
and they brought in their hearing test. And I had done a hearing test, and they said, these are different. And I looked at them, and my test showed normal hearing in the low frequencies.
Oh, and the bass tones.
Bass tones normal, dropping out in the high frequencies, most common type of hearing loss that we see.
Sure.
She showed me the Costco test, and it had a huge hearing loss in the low frequencies. And I said, well, that's kind of odd that they're showing a big hearing loss here where I had you normal. And I asked, how did they do the test? Did they put in a little earbud in your ear? And they said, oh yeah, they put in just this little earbud, put it in my ear. And I said, you know what happened. That little earpiece that went in your ear wasn't occluding enough. It wasn't blocking out the hearing.
Blocking out the warehouse sounds.
So when they were testing the hearing, it gave a false hearing loss in those low frequencies. And it was unfortunate. It was just a classic example of an inaccurate test because it was performed wrong. The earbud wasn't correct that got put in the ear. And so if they were to get a hearing aid based off of that hearing test, the hearing aid would be wrong because the test was wrong. And
they'd be hearing way too much background noise all the time,
So anyway, it was just an interesting example of how you want to do things right.
Yeah, getting that test and having it done the right way by a professional under a more appropriate setting.
Pretty important.
It's very, very important. Yeah.